Hello everyone, my name is Susanna. Welcome to Susanna's How To. Today I will tell you how to make a grilled cheese. Now I'll tell you what we need. We need a calorie seasoning, and the mayo, and the knife, a cutting board, two breads. If you have a kid like your friend, you need 4, and 4 cheese. And 2 cutting boards, 4 cheese, and 2 knives. We first take the bread and we take the mayo and open it and then spread some on it. And we do like this. And spread it. And we turn it around like my brother and then spread it like the same. And the other one the same. And my brother's. And we spread it. We turn it around and just spread it. And now we put the cheese on. And my brother wanted to sprinkle this on. I want to sprinkle some seed on it, so I'm going to sprinkle some more. We first put it together. And then we're going to put it in the air fryer. Now we will cook it, and I'll put mine in, and Hunter's will wait. Hunter. And we need to cook it at 190. And then we hit it, and it is 15 minutes. We need 8. And hit it again. And now we wait. When it's 4 minutes later, we need to open it and let it cook the other side. Now we open it and taste. Look how it tastes. Try how it tastes. And now we will cook Hunter's and see what was better. Now we will cut and try eat it. And now we can eat it. Yummy. Thank you for watching. This is another How To. Please hit a thumbs up.